Ethereum is trending toward a 2.8% drop tomorrow based on 30 rates. Let's take a quick glance at today's market situation. As we speak, Ethereum is up 0.5% on the day and trades close to $1,878.88. Let's move on to analysts' forecasts. By August 3, CoinDataFlow says we might see $1,895.45, which reflects a gain of about 0.9%. CoinLore anticipates Ethereum could touch $1,879, marking a rise close to 0.1%. CoinCodex highlights the possibility of testing $1,850.67 on the downside, marking a loss near 1.5%. A separate projection from 30 rates highlights Ethereum may move lower to $1,826, an estimated decrease of 2.8%. And lastly, crypto predictions puts the target at $1,665.32 by August 3, a 11.3% decline. This is the highest profit potential forecast. That's all for the forecast calls. Let's continue the analysis. Let's break down each prediction into potential outcomes. Based on the collected data from each expert, the expected market range is from a drop of 11.3% to an increase of 0.9%, depending on the analyst. Therefore, crypto prediction stands out with the highest projected return, with 11.3% gain in value by August 3. Based on these forecasts, you could earn between $1 and $113 for every $1,000 you invest. From the probability standpoint, CoinLore's forecast has the highest chance of success at 84.5%. With the 5 forecasts aligned, I've highlighted the overall consensus scenario. Consensus expectations show Ethereum around $1,823.29. Here's how it looks in detail. The consensus outcome suggests a 2.9% fall in price. This implies that your capital could gain by the same 2.9%. A 1,000 setup might point to a potential $29 increase. The probability of the consensus forecast being fulfilled is estimated at about 57.3%. Here's the part where we explore the expected price trajectory for the next 3 days based on analysts' views. CoinDataFlow highlights an upward outlook for Ethereum. CoinLore suggests Ethereum will move in a narrow range. CoinCodex emphasizes that the short-term picture is tilted higher. 30 rates projects weaker prices ahead. Similarly, crypto predictions expects a bearish continuation. Bringing together all perspectives, the consensus reveals Ethereum tilting lower in the short term. Looking across the forecasts, most analysts emphasize an optimistic stance, with Ethereum expected to push higher. 5 sites published forecasts 2 days ago. Yesterday showed how accurate they turned out. Ultimately, the closing price printed $1,844.93. 3 of 5 forecasts were right about the move. Closest match to the market came from Traders Union. Now we'll arrange the details clearly. 3 forecasts stayed inside the span of the daily candle. Looking at ROI, some analysts managed to post gains, with CoinDataFlow performing best overall. Now appearing on screen is the full results overview, all forecasts fact-checked. For today's numbers, Traders Union had 77.4% forecast probability and 1.1% in profitability. Accuracy came in at. Try to notice which predictions aged best once the day was over. Now let's see how Ethereum ranks among other assets based on their forecasted returns for tomorrow. At second position we have Ethereum, and Graham appears with an expected gain of 7.7%. This section includes Ethereum and 4 random cryptocurrencies, while a far broader selection is already accessible on my website. We're done for today. Make sure you're subscribed for the next forecast updates. See you when the next numbers come in.